is one of the remote places on the planet. And in the open ocean, there are no landmarks. So Hawaii was discovered by canoes with no GPS, no motors, no electronics, just pure nature. And that's what we're doing today, to celebrate that. So we're on Hokulea. She is a replica of a Polynesian voyaging canoe. They were the mode of transportation for discovering the Hawaiian Islands.
There's no metal, there's no screws, there's no nails, there's no braces that hold the canoe together. It's nothing but lashings of rope. There's no motors on board. There's no navigation equipment that we use to go across the ocean. We started in Hawaii in end of May 2014. We embarked on this worldwide voyage, which first ended up going towards Tahiti through our ancestral routes, and now we're here in Martha's Vineyard.
A big part of this voyage, right, Malama Honua, is to train a whole cadre of young navigators and captains. Wait, leave the back sail. Let's get the 23 out, a big foresail. Kaleo Wong is one of the apprentice navigators. I've done 4 voyages with him. And he was on his own across the Atlantic Ocean, and he was brilliant. I mean, he was just so successful. You know, after traveling like 1,200 miles, finding just little islands in the middle of nowhere. You're talking like thousands of hours of observation at sea.
When we were navigating the open ocean, our biggest clue that tells us where we are and where we're going is the sun. The sun, as we know, rises in the east and sets in the west. So if we just know where one point of is, then we know where everything else is. The stars do us the same thing. It's like the compass in the sky. We memorize close to 200 stars and know where they rise and where they set and how they move across the skies.
The sun and the stars and everything work in conjunction with the swells. So in the absence of the sun, then you maintain the orientation of the canoe to those swell patterns. That's a very difficult thing. The Hokulea was built with the express purpose of proving that navigation by the ancient way was very viable. These canoes could be guided over 2,000 miles and long distances. They proved that on their very first voyage in 1976. What it means is continuation. Kaleo and these others, they're just like a pinch of salt as far as the people who know how to do this type of navigation.